What up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Quantum wallet. I talked about this wallet few weeks back where I showed you guys how you can claim some free SATU token. Now, this token is currently pegged at the price of 0.3 USDT, all right? But let's not say this is the official price yet. This is just for the sake of references, all right? Now, in this video, I'm not here to talk about the free airdrop. I've already talked about that in the previous video. You can go ahead, check that video out if you're interested. In today's video, I'll be showing you different ways you can make passive income with the Quantum wallet. All right, I'll be sharing with you 4 different ways you can make passive income and also show you how to participate in them in this video. So before I get into details, I want you guys to understand that this is not a financial advice. This video is strictly an educational video showing you guys how to get it done by yourself. So if you're interested and you want to hop on this, please make sure you do your own research before you hop into this. So anyway, in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can make deposits on this platform and how you can stake it and start earning your passive income instantly. All right. So guys, if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you have to pay attention to this video till the end. Guys, so if this is your first time checking out this application, you are just seeing it for the first time and you want to get involved in this project, you want to be part of it, all you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video. You can download the application, and after downloading, you use my referral code in order for you to claim your token, your free token. I think about $900 worth of this token will be given to your account. All right, so you can claim it for free right now. I made a video of how to do all that, how to start up. The video is going to pop up on the top right corner of this video. You can click it and check it out if this is your first time, and you can also check the link in the description to get that video. All right, the second way you can make money with this Quantum wallet is by participating in the DeFi section, where you just have to put your funds to work for you. This one doesn't even require you for doing any work. All you have to do is to stake some funds and get your return every single day. You are just going to be earning 18% per month, which makes it 0.6% every single day. For the next 30 days, you can earn 18% in total, all right, on any amount of money you are staking right here. All right, now guys, I want you guys to also understand that this is not a platform where you get your funds locked up and you won't have access to it for a period of time. On this platform, you can redeem your stake token anytime, any day. All right, so you can see over here I've already redeemed about 3 times and there's no problem. I got it into my wallet straight away. So any fund you put in here and you lock it up, you can actually withdraw it anytime you want. It is completely decentralized. Your funds are not going to be locked up. So if you put in your funds today and stake today and you have a change of mind and you want to withdraw your funds, you can still redeem it the same day and take out all your funds. All right, so this is how it works. It is completely decentralized. So I'll be showing you how you can get that done, how to make deposit, and how you can start earning with the passive income system right here, right now. Now, the third way you can make money with the Quantum wallet regularly and passively is by clicking on me here. You will need to apply for jobs. All right, if you can apply for jobs, you can see over here, this is job application, and this is mostly for those of you that know how to refer. You have to be a very good networker to get this done. All right, so if you can refer and apply for these jobs, you'll be able to make some extra income using this platform. So if you're on the city node, you will be able to earn about 3%, and if you're on super node, 5%, Genesis node, 10%. So guys, that is just how you can earn with the job application section. All right, so you can click. So if you are good in referring, you can equally apply for a job here and start making some extra income. Now, the fourth way you can also make money with the Quantum wallet is what we call the team benefit. Now, if you can build a team of investors, those who they are willing to also make some money online by a passive income, you bring them online, they are also going to join your team and you all are going to be earning extra income from the team. Especially you that brought them in, you earn more from bringing in more people on board. All right, so that's just how you can earn with this with the Quantum wallet. Now quickly, let me show you how you can make deposit and get this done by yourself. Those of you that want to use this platform to earn passive income, this is what you can do. Now you can, like I said earlier on, you can earn either in Tron or BNB or USDT. All right, now we are on the Tron blockchain. You can see over here, right here, we are on the Tron blockchain. Now, in order for you to make deposit, you can decide to use Tron. You click on Tron here and you copy the wallet address, and once you come here, you click on receive. the wallet address is here, you can copy it. Now if you want to use USDT, the same thing, you click on it right here, you click on receive, you copy the USDT wallet address. That's on Tron blockchain. All right, now if you want to go to the Binance, I would prefer you use the BNB blockchain because it has a cheaper gas fee. All right, so you click over here again once more, then you click on BNB right here, you click here, you can see BNB, this is smart chain. All right, then you select it successfully, then it will automatically switch your account to BNB blockchain. All right, see over here now, the platform is on BNB. We are now on BNB blockchain. The wallet is on BNB blockchain. All right, so now what you have to do is to click on over here the same way I showed you guys earlier on. Click here, click on receive. I want to make deposit of 10 USDT, so I'm going to click here to copy my wallet address. All right, because the minimum, now let me tell you, the minimum you need in order for you to participate in the staking here to start earning is 10 USDT, and if you want to use Tron, you have to use 100 CRX to do that, and if you want to use BNB, you have to use $10 worth of BNB to do this. All right, now but I'm using USDT on the BNB blockchain, so just go straight to my wallet right now, and we're going to make the deposit of 10 USDT right here. All right, so over here in my wallet, I'm going to send this 10 USDT. You can see here, I'm just going to send this 10 USDT over there. Then I'm going to click on send. Okay, I'm going to use yes on chain. All right, then paste the wallet address here. Okay, and I choose network, which is BNB. All right, then I'm just going to click on 10 right here, 10. All right, so you can see it goes without a gas fee, so that's why I say you should choose the BNB blockchain. All right, so I'm just going to click on withdraw right here. Okay, I confirm this, then I'm going to. All right, so withdrawal is successful, it's processing, so I'm supposed to get it on that platform, on the Quantum wallet, very soon. So I'm just going to go back to that wallet and show you what to do next. Right, so back over here in my Quantum wallet, you can see right now I have my 10 USDT on my balance. You can see it yourself right here. Okay, now in order for you to put this 10 USDT to work for you, you have to first click over here where you can see ATS. This is where everything is going on. Now you can earn 18% per month on any amount you are putting in right here. Okay, 18% per month, making it I think 0.6% every single day. That is what you earn on any amount you put in here. All right, yeah, it's just like a wallet where you just hold your USDT and you get extra income on it. All right, so you just get a return on investment for just holding your USDT or your token in this wallet. All right, now in order for us to activate the staking and to start earning passive income, you click on the coin. If it is BNB you sent in here, you click on join on BNB. If it is USDT, you click over here. Now before, let me even go back and show you guys something. To show you guys that I've already participated. You see over here I have 10 USDT that have been locked here a few days back, and I'm already earning from this. All right, so I'm just gonna go back. I want to do, for the sake of this video, I'll be putting another 10 USDT so that I can increase my earnings. All right, so what you do here is to click on the join right here. Okay, I'm just going to click on I'm going to click on max, so it's going to take 10 USDT including 0.6, which is something I got from the previous staking. All right, so successfully participated. All right, this is done already. Now I'm going to click here, click over here, and you can see now, you can see I have double. I have two, that's 20 USDT, but separately. All right, they are being staked here, and I can redeem anytime I want. If I want to redeem right now, I click on redeem, I'll redeem everything, and I can withdraw it back to my personal wallet. There's no penalty for redeeming. It is completely decentralized, guys. This is a decentralized project, and you are in full charge of it, of your funds. You can take it back anytime you want. You can decide to bring it back anytime you want and just take it. All right, so that is just how you can deposit, stake, and start earning. Right, so I'll make another video of how you can withdraw from this platform into your wallet if you want, but I'm just gonna wait for this to yield some income, then I'll probably make a video with my withdrawal. Okay. Okay, so guys, like I said, if you're interested, the links in the description. You can go down there, hop on it, and follow the steps I just showed you right here. But guys, this is not a financial advice. Please, this is not a financial advice. This is strictly an educational video showing you guys how to do these things by yourself, and also some risk that I do take on my own side to earn some passive income. So if you are interested and you want to get involved, make sure you are only investing what you can afford to lose, so you always be on the safe side. It's called risk management. If you want to follow up with more updates on this project, you should join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Go down there, join, and you can follow up with more updates about the quantum wallet. All right, now you can also earn more by inviting your friends. All right, if you invite your friends and they also make the deposit, they also participate in the DeFi right here, you are also going to be earning some extra income for inviting your friends right here. Okay, so it's another way for you to make extra income is by using your invite link. Go to your invite, click on invite. This is my own referral code, my invitation code. You can use it. I've already showed you guys how to make use of the invitation code so that you can also claim your free token. All right, so it's in the previous video. You can check that out. Links in the description. I said it earlier on. You can check it out and you are good to go. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.